Hey, Steve Noble, Moto. Got our about 1,500 mile update on the Metzeler Cruisetec. And honestly, this thing is amazing. It still has really good shape after 1,500 miles, and most of those miles were in southeastern Ohio, West Virginia curves. I did get to test it out in the rain quite a bit, absurd amount actually, and it stuck really, really well. It stuck as well as the Shinko 777 did. So no complaints whatsoever there. So it stuck really well in the curves. Plus it had excellent rain traction. And by testing the rain traction, I just went off general rideability. Then I'd usually saw at the throttle a little bit, see if it'd break free, then saw it really hard and see if again it would spin. And honestly, this thing stuck. I didn't spin this tire. It all hammered on off the throttle in like second, third gear. So 5 stars on that. So really the big test at this point is going to be how long does it last? The other ones were in the low to mid 6,000 mile range. So we will see where this one is at. It still has pretty good shape to it, so I'm pretty optimistic that it's going to wear really well. However, you have to like and subscribe and all that jazz and follow this playlist to see what happens. And I will let you know in about another 5,000 miles where we're sitting at. So yeah, that's all I got.